Start.
Hi everyone, and welcome to today's maths lesson on measure. We're going to start off by looking at these two different ways of measuring. The first one is a ruler, that's right, and it measures in, does anyone remember? Centimetres, that's right, it measures in centimetres. And millimetres, the ones in between, but we're going to focus on centimetres for now. This one is much longer, as you can see, much longer. Does anyone remember what this one is called? That's right, it's called a metre stick, and it measures in metres because it's a metre long, so it's much easier to measure larger. Okay, right, I've got three items here. I've got a large sand timer, a book, and a pencil. Let's start with the pencil. What do you think I should use to measure the pencil? That's right. I will use the ruler to measure the pencil. What are we going to measure it in? We're going to measure it in centimetres. Right, so I'm going to start off by putting my pencil along the ruler. Am I doing it right?
No.
Not quite. What do I need to do? I need to shift it down. Make sure that I'm starting at the 0, not at the very end of the ruler, but at the 0 point. And then I'm going to carefully look and see how long my pencil is. It's just over 14 centimetres long. You can try your one at home with your ruler and pencil. Let's put that down. Right, I'm going to move on to the sand timer. What do you think I should measure this with? I could try with the ruler. Oh, yes, that's just about right, isn't it? Start it off at the bottom. Now remember, we've got to start on the 0. So we're going to flip it around. 0, and see, all the way up. Wow, that's exactly 30 centimetres. It's the full length of the ruler. Now, if that was any bigger, it would be a bit tricky to measure with the ruler, wouldn't it? So we could use a bigger measure. Let's see. What do we reckon we could measure using a metre stick? I think we can measure the table. So let's see. I've got this metre stick, but I've also got a different one. This one here, which gives you the measure in centimetres, all the way up to 1 metre. Talk about that later. Right, let's see. The table is longer than a metre stick. So it's 1 metre, and we can use our ruler to get the extra bit. Place the 0 here at the end. Just there. It's 1 metre and about 9 centimetres. There we go. Right, so that's how you measure items with different lengths with different measuring tools.